Justin with Mobility of Denver. We have the largest selection of wheelchair-accessible SUVs in a single location in the country. Let's go check them out. Alright, so this is the Honda Pilot from VMI. This is the NorthStar conversion. Eric's going to demonstrate going up that ramp for us here. So we have about a 12-degree ramp angle here. You'll notice the handle actually right here means that it's the NorthStar E. So you got to pick up the ramp, slide it in. Once it's in, you're able to shut the reverse hinge door. And that completes the look of the Honda Pilot SUV. Another great SUV example of a wheelchair accessible vehicle is the Chevy Traverse. This conversion is built by Freedom Motors. So on this particular model, we have a manual door and ramp. You can't get this in the power option, but similar to the other SUVs, this is going to have a bifold ramp that folds down. It's all aluminum, so it's actually very light. Once your passenger gets in, you're able to just pick that up, close it, and then drive up. Another great SUV option is the Freedom Motors version that's done on the Kia Sorento. This Kia Sorento has the power liftgate and power ramp option. So Eric will demonstrate how that ramp works. It uses hydraulic actuators to open up the rear liftgate, and then the ramp is going to come out. It's a bifold ramp, so it's going to give you enough distance on a manual chair like Eric has to be able to get up into the vehicle. Once you're inside the vehicle, you can either use the control unit on the remote, or there's a button on the dash. So they'll be able to close that up once you're inside. Now for the driver-capable need, the Kia Soul is an excellent option. This one actually has a power liftgate feature, which Eric will demonstrate. So in the situation where you want to drive yourself, this vehicle can be equipped that way. Power rear entry, Eric is able to actually get inside. Then once you're inside, we actually have a power transfer seat and hand control set. Get yourself where you need to go. You can open and close the ramp yourself and not need any caretaker to get you around.